Alright, on my A1 Mini, this is the second one of these that broke off, and I'm not really sure if I'm putting it on right. So I'm replacing it. I got this lined up here, and let me see if I can get this, show what's the problem here. So I wanted to line this up and set this in and make sure that it fits, because the last time I was having a hard time, and I might have installed it wrong, and like I had to really pull the spring over this. And every video example of replacing the hot end, the nozzle, I'm sorry, it's just like a real simple like push over and snap. It didn't take a lot of force, and I've been pulling on this, which is why this one broke, and why the one before it broke, probably because something was not nested right. So before putting the rest of it together, I wanted to put this in. Okay, and it snaps in right there. Sorry, I'm not sure if this is visible. There we go, there's some light. Okay, and I should be able to just snap this on, but man, it just keeps giving me a hard time. And when I push it up higher, here, I can just snap it on with my thumb like that, and then it'll slide back down. But obviously with the rest of the assembly on, I can't do it that way. Now that it's right here in this position, okay, now watch this. This is fucking strange. I haven't moved it at all. I'll try and snap it on again the same way. Damn, dude. I mean, and I feel like I'm going to break it again, and I think I can eventually get it, but like, push it up just a little. Snaps right over. I'm not sure what I'm missing here. If it nests that far down with it on, I don't get it. Let me get it from the front here. Okay, here it is again. And again, I feel like I can get it there, but I'm gonna have to put a lot of pressure on it, and that's what broke this the last two times, was that I was actually grabbing it with pliers to get it to snap on. But if I lift it up, snaps right on like it should, I believe. But then back in its spot. Can't. It doesn't go through. It's like, what am I missing? I get a little lower angle. No snap, and then snap. Okay.